Question is, why do I attract clients who always says that I don't have money? So you might be thinking that the client is always not having money. You might be thinking, yeah, why I'm always attracting to these kind of a people where they are like, always have lack of money, or they always script like, I don't have money. So my dear friend, okay, you need to understand this very well. You need to know this particular thing very well. It's not about the client. You are the clear reflection. You are the clear reflection towards money as well. The way, like, the as a person who you are, that is the energy which you are dealing with money as well. End of the day, money is an energy. So the person who you are, because you always say this particular thing consciously or subconsciously, that I don't have enough money, and that's why you're attracting the same kind of an energy of a people who always say that I don't have enough money. Can you see how deep it is? Because you think that it's the client who doesn't have money. No, it's you subconsciously or consciously feeding that particular intentions and sending that intentions towards the money energy, that they don't have, like, I don't have enough money. So that's why you're always attracting to the same kind of clients, because it's a pure reflection of who you really are. So that's why it is very much important to see yourself, reflect yourself. For example, if you are a buyer who always looks for a discount, then you will always attract people who will also ask for the discount. If you are a buyer who always like, okay, if I love that few, like, something, I directly do, like, go and ask how much is this, and I just pay it without asking, like, is there any discount, or is there anything, or can you lower down the price or anything? No, I think that is worth it. I just go ahead and pay that 50K or 1 lakh rupees. Yeah, you will attract the same kind of a client, because that energy which you are passing through that money, that is what is you attracting, the same kind of a person you're attracting. So that's why it is very much important that you need to ask yourself this particular question, that why I always buy like this, why I always buy like this. And, like, whenever there is something great thing somebody is offering, and I say, why I don't have enough money. So that's why you always attract to the people who always say that we don't have money. Okay, so this is how the energy passes through. This is how you are connecting this energy towards money, and also, like, it's end up getting, like, these kind of a clients who you are attracting, the kind of a person who you really are. So you need to reflect this. Okay,